Hey everybody, welcome to Scott's PC. If this is the first time you've been here, I'm building my first ever computer slash workstation slash video editing rig, and I'm trying to do it in that $1,000 range, but I'm doing it over time, meaning I'm buying a part every week or two because I don't have a grand just to drop before I actually start this build. So make sure to subscribe if you want to follow my progress. And if you want to look at the parts I've ordered and that I'm going to order, I'll leave links to every part in the description below, okay? Just a quick overview. This is my spreadsheet, and everything you see highlighted in green has already been purchased. So far I've spent $507.44. That's including tax. But I still need to spend approximately 550 more bucks before I can actually get my hands dirty and start this build. I'm so excited to do it. And a big part of that $550 is what I wanted to talk to you about. It is finding the right GPU, best bang for the buck, price versus performance, however you want to describe it. I've been thinking of a 1660 Ti, a 1660 Super, an RX 590. But now I've been thinking about it and looking at the prices, especially on Amazon and Newegg. I'm thinking about the 5700, the RX 5700. Let's go there right now to Amazon. The last time I looked, it was at $299. Whoops, wrong one. Hold up. The last time I looked, yes, $299. And of course, it's gone up to $319. So this is the card I want to get. It's going to be paired with my it's a Ryzen build, a 2700X, so it should work just perfectly. And I know if I search Newegg and the other places, I can find this for $299.99. So let me just type in the search engine. No. Well, I guess I should have pulled the trigger if I wanted to save $20 about 3 days ago. But anyway, now I'm heavily leaning towards the 5700. It'll be perfect for that 2700X, do some 1440 gaming. I just need to get a monitor for that though as well. But that's what I'm thinking. 5700. The 2060 is in play also, but I sure do like this card right here. Going back to my spreadsheet, I'm still stuck on the RAM. And, this motherboard that I've picked out, it seems to have everything I need. I was really concentrating on the memory, or not the memory, the storage part of it, because I have an NVMe M.2 storage, 500 gigabytes. And I wanted to make sure it was compatible, and everything I've been reading it is. This is the storage I purchased right here. It's still at the same price point when I bought it, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. So going back to the board, this is the board I think I'm going to get. I'm just waiting to purchase the motherboard. Let's see, yeah, the motherboard, the RAM, and the GPU all at the same time, just in case I need to return it to Amazon for a replacement. That way I can just deal with Amazon and not deal with the company that I bought it for under warranty, at least in those first 30 days or so, or whatever Amazon's return policy is. So just to wrap up my thoughts this week, yeah, 5700, not the XT, just the regular RX 5700, and kind of go from there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell button for future notifications, and to see how my progress is going. Okay, hopefully I can start building by the end of February 2020, and today is February 1st. And FYI, go San Francisco. Let's get it on tomorrow. Beat those Chiefs. See you next time, folks.